Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example in which we will be controlling 4 lights using a single toggle switch. So let's start. Example 8. If toggle switch 1 is on, then light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4 will be on. If toggle switch 1 is off, then light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4 will be still on. So in this example, we will use normally open contacts. With that, we will be also using memory bits and set coil. So let's move to CODESYS where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. I will open CODESYS. I need to create a new project. Let's create a new project and I will start standard project the template for this and click on OK. After that, you need to change the PLC programming to ladder logic diagram and then click OK. After that, go to PLC programming here and here we will draw the ladder diagram. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact here and a set coil. We'll insert a set coil, insert set coil, and this normally open contact will be toggle switch 1. Toggle switch 1. Okay. And then this coil will be a memory bit. Let's say memory bit. Okay. And after that, we will insert one more network here. I will right click and click on insert network below. And in this network, we will use this memory bit as normally open contact. So we will insert a contact here and this will be memory bit. And then we will insert some coils. So I will insert a coil here and then I will open the branch here, and then insert a coil, then one more. I will insert once again branch. So for now, this contact will be light 1. This is light 1. Okay. And then this will be light 2. And then we need to insert 2 more coils here. So I will click here and then insert branch below and then add a coil here, and this coil will be light 3. Okay. And then we need to insert one more branch here below and then insert a coil, and this coil will be light 4. Okay. So when toggle switch 1 is turned on, the signal will pass through it and it will make this memory bit true. And when this memory bit is true, the signal will pass through this, and as a result, this light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4, all the lights gets on. All the lights turn on. And then when the toggle switch 1 is turned off, it will not allow signal to pass through it. As a result, this memory bit should turn off. It should turn pause. But as you can see here, we have used a set coil for this memory bit. For that, this memory bit remains true even when we turn off this toggle switch 1. So when toggle switch 1 is turned off, this memory bit remains on. And when memory bit remains on, the signal still passes through this. As a result, this light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4 remains on. So in short, when toggle switch 1 is turned on, all the lights light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4 turns on, and when toggle switch 1 is turned off, these lights do not turn off. Light 1 remains on, light 2, light 3 and light 4 also remains on. And now let's generate code. And let's go to online and start simulation. And then I need to log in here. Yes. So when toggle switch 1, so we need to first start here and we will turn toggle switch 1 as true. So we will click here, turn it to true and then go to debug and force values or we can click on write values. And you can see here this memory bit gets true when we turn on the toggle switch 1. And when memory bit gets true, all the lights turn off. As you can see here, light 1 is true, the state of light 2 is also true, light 3 and light 4, all the lights are on. And then, so what happens is that toggle switch 1 is turned on, the signal passes through this. As a result, this memory bit gets true and we have used that memory bit here as normally open contact. So it is true that the signal will pass through this. As a result, this light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4 gets on. Okay. So when I turn off this toggle switch 1, I need to click here. When it gets false here, then go to debug and write values. You can see here toggle switch 1, the state of toggle switch 1 is false, but the state of memory bit is still true. As you can see here, it is true. Why is it true? Because we have used a set coil for this memory bit. So a set coil keeps that output true even when the input gets false, even when we turn off the output. So this memory bit remains true, and when this memory bit remains true here as normally open contact, the signal will still pass through this. As a result, this light 1, light 2, light 3 and light 4, all the lights remain on. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.